Hey guys, brought 250 next door. Gotta get some new gas for it. Gotta make some pre-mix. Took the brake caliper off. Took a vise from Honda Tech, and it ruined the brake caliper. Completely ruined it. So now I gotta find a brake caliper for this. For this side, there's one on here for the e-brake. I'm trying to figure out because these parts they're very hard to find. Honda Odyssey parts are very hard to find. So I'm thinking about making a bracket so I can use an updated brake from like a Player Sportsman or something. And then you just put the bracket on and put that on, and then you can run that brake on it. But yeah. Please like, subscribe, comment. Always share my videos, and yeah.